Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming back and checking out this channel. My name is Sule, this is Leus Films. Today we're going to talk about the SmallRig dual handle for the Ronin S2. As we know, when Ronin came out with this gimbal, everybody is excited, including myself. I went in and ordered it. It's very nice and amazing. However, it came with only one bracket that you can use, attach here and use it in underslang mode, right? Which is really nice and convenient and very comfortable doing like that, all right? It's very nice. So this is really cool, all good and dandy, nice. However, sometimes you want to use two hands because it should be more stable to use two hands and film like that, especially if you're walking around. So when I saw that SmallRig, which is a very reputable company, you know, that makes high quality stuff, very trustworthy. When they announced that they're doing a dual handle grip, I just went in and put a pre-order for it. And I received it 2 days ago, and here they are. So it's just two pieces. You can slide it and remove it, and that's it. It's very comfortable. You can even say that it's a better quality than the gimbal itself, but that's debatable, of course. But it's really nice and sturdy, and I like the nice touch that they put the red color here to match, you know, the gimbal. So very easy to install. They tell you which side goes up, so just slide it up like this. Okay. And just twist and lock. All right, the only thing they don't tell you is which one is left and right. And lock it, and done. This is it. Very nice and very steady, very cool, very easy way to do this thing. You have a lot of holes here to mount your monitors, your microphone. I have a Rode mic, Video Mic Pro here. I can put it here, but then, you know, it's gonna mess up with the balancing, right? But you do have a lot of mounting spaces. You can do screws, you can do under here. There's another one under here. You can, you know, kind of do it like this way if you wanted to. But the options are there for you. So you can put lights, you can put microphones, you can put monitors, and all that jazz. The only thing that I would say is missing is the recording, like push to start recording option here. But this is really cool. Look at that. Check this out. Very easy, very simple. What also comes in the package is this screen protector for your gimbal, which I already stuck here, and it's very nice. You can't even tell there's a screen protector on it. Very nice and very responsive. So that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this quick review, quick installing, quick going over, quick tour, or however you want to say it, of the dual handle grip by SmallRig, which I said again is a very nice and reputable company that builds very good quality stuff. So test it. If you like doing dual hand stuff, go test it, do it yourself, and you will know that you would come to like it.